Welcome back, guys. So today we are going to be wrapping the house. Now we all know that Josh is excellent at unwrapping little Debbies, but not so much when it comes to house wrap. And when it comes to presents, he doesn't wrap them at all.
Well, I mean,
come on.
I got nothing. I got nothing. Well, so we're gonna wrap the house. We're gonna put the underlayment for the roof and get that in, and then we're gonna get the door. Put the door, and we're gonna lock Aaron inside there. That's what we're gonna do. That's the plan.
And then we are back to the good old problem of what color do we paint the door?
I like the orange. I'm gonna stay with the orange.
So we're going with the orange. We're not repainting?
No, same color siding, same roofs. Keep it orange. And if we change it 6 months down the road, we'll paint 2 doors. Whatever.
Or you can be like Josh and just not change your shirt for 6 months. Okay.
You wore that yesterday. It's okay. It's alright though.
This is clean.
Oh, really?
Laundromat. You know, that RV life.
Yeah.
Ready to go?
Let's do this.
All right. I can't.
Oh!
That was fun. He acts like he doesn't do that all the time, but he does.
I'm highly embarrassed right now.
The sun is coming up, are you ready to go? We can take a ride, we can take it slow. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. I'll take you to a place we can see it all. Step off the edge, I can break your fall. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. When you fall down, I'll get you back up again.
relax, you know? I mean, I gotta get the job done, you know?
You gotta be alive after you do it. That's not funny.
Ah, mother. Woo, yeah! That sucks. I was not part of the plan, Aaron.
Okay, so I just learned two things. One is that Josh thinks he's Spider-Man, and the second thing is I probably shouldn't set up my own ladders.
I'm actually surprised it didn't crack under pressure. So, but that being said, what?
I don't know, I was just thinking about you cooking dinner tonight.
No, it's not happening. Alright, so the house wrap's done, the underlayment's done. The last sheet of underlayment, we went ahead and slid it underneath. It didn't go on top. I know we did the top one first, we actually slid it underneath. Water works its way from the top, comes down, just flows off. So,
yep,
that's what we did.
Yep.
What else we got to do?
So now we're going to go ahead and put the door on, and then we will move Josh's cup holder inside the shed.
My cup holder?
You're moving up in life, Josh. From underneath the house to in the shed, you know? I mean, considering your last joke, I'm not sure I should give you that upgrade, but I'm going to be nice.
Part of the time shed, you're more than welcome to come over and hang out.
Perfect.
All right?
All right.
Let's do the door.
Let's do the door.
All right.
so we're done for the night. Really easy evening project.
Yes. So we did all that stuff. It's getting kind of late for filming. It's getting kind of dark. So when we get done with this, we're actually going to go ahead and cover the peaks up with
house wrap.
House wrap. We're planning on not doing plywood and covering it up. We talked about it. Maybe we're going to do like a plexiglass to get some natural light going in there.
Yeah.
So if you got some better idea, guys, give us a comment in the comment section below. Give us an idea. We're open ears and we'll take them on.
Give us your thoughts. We definitely would like to do something where we have light going in there and it's not blocked off. So that's where we're
plexiglass.
Yeah, something like that.
Or windows. Who knows? We'll figure it out.
Yeah. So the other thing you want to talk about was the peak. We covered it up with underlayment.
Yep.
We did the same thing with the A-frame roof temporarily.
The peak, you mean
Yeah, the very top. We covered it up. We overlapped the underlayment on that, and then we went back and we cut that out when we vented the roof, which is the same step we're doing with this temporarily.
We went ahead and covered it up, so if it does rain, it doesn't get wet in there, it stays dry. That was the plan for today. So.
Yeah, and then when we go back and like put the ridge cap on and the venting and all of that, we'll go ahead and cut it out. So was that it?
That's it, but we didn't talk about the door at all. We caulked all around the door real quick, and we slammed that door up to the blue skin, and it's nice and sealed, and we screwed that bad boy in, and it's done.
Yeah.
No door handle, so it's not done. Or spray foam, so it's still not done.
Right. Or,
yeah. We'll get it done eventually.
Yeah.
With the inside, so not a big rush right now.
Yep. So that's it. So I've got some shoogie bonding to do. It looks like, because that's going to be up next for the siding when we get the siding on there.
Yeah.
I guess furring strips and whatnot first, but
and
it won't be long.
And the metal roof.
Yeah.
And then it's done, and then we got solar going on.
Yeah.
I can't wait.
Oh, me either. I'm excited.
Yeah, me too.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Yep. See ya.